50 phrasal verbs for everyday life. Break up, separate, split up. Break up, separate, split up. Did Sarah and Mark break up? Yes, they split up last month. Call off, call off. Cancel, cancel. Did they call off the meeting? Yes, they cancelled it due to bad weather. Look after, look after. Take care of, take care of. Will you look after my dog? Of course, I will take care of him. Look for, look for. Search for, search for. Are you looking for your keys? Yes, I can't find them. Pick up, pick up. Collect, collect. Can you pick up some groceries? Sure, I will collect them on my way home. Turn on, turn on. Switch on, switch on. Can you turn on the lights? Sure, I will switch them on. Turn off, turn off. Switch off, switch off. Did you remember to turn off the oven? Yes, I switched it off after baking. Put on, put on. Where, where? What should I put on for the party? Wear that beautiful dress. Take off, take off. Remove, remove. Should I take off my shoes? Yes, please remove them before entering. Take out, take out. Throw away or throw out. Throw away or throw out. Can you take out the trash? Yes, I will throw it away. Get up, get up. Rise, rise. What time do you usually get up? I rise at 6 a.m. Check in, check in. Arrive and register at a hotel. Arrive and register at a hotel. Did you check in at the hotel? Yes, we registered at the reception. check out, check out, leave or depart from a hotel, leave or depart from a hotel. When do we need to check out of the hotel? Check out time is usually by 11 a.m. Turn up, turn up, arrive, arrive. Did she turn up for the meeting? No, she didn't arrive on time. Put off, put off, postpone, postpone. Did they put off the wedding? Yes, they postponed it due to illness. Hold on, hold on. Wait, wait. Can you hold on for a moment? Sure, I will wait. Bring back, bring back. Return, return. Did you bring back the library books? Yes, I returned them. Look up, look up. Search for, search for. Can you look up that word? Sure, I will search for it. Run out of, run out of. Have no more of something, have no more of something. Did we run out of milk? We don't have any more of it. Wake up, wake up, awaken, awaken. When do you usually wake up? I awaken early. Get along, get along. Have a good relationship, have a good relationship. Do you get along with your neighbors? Yes, I have a good relationship. Turn down, turn down. Reject, reject. Did they turn down your job application? Yes, they rejected it. Look forward to, look forward to. Anticipate or hope for, anticipate or hope for. Are you looking forward to the vacation? Yes, I'm looking forward to it. Call back, call back. Return a phone call, return a phone call. Will you call me back? Yes, I will return your call. Turn up, turn up. Increase in volume, increase in volume. Can you turn up the music? Yes, I'll increase the volume. Give up. Give up. Quit. Quit. Did you give up on your dreams? No, I didn't quit. Set up. Set up. Establish. Establish. Are you planning to set up a new business? Yes, I want to establish it. Bring in. Bring in. Introduce. Introduce. Did they bring in a new policy at work? Yes, they introduced it. Look out. Look out. Be cautious. Be cautious. Should I look out for traffic? Yes, be cautious when crossing. Go on. Go on. Continue. Continue. Will the show go on despite the rain? Yes, it will continue. Get over. Get over. Recover from. Recover from. Have you got over the fever? Yes, I have recovered from it. Turn in. Turn in. Submit. Submit. Did you turn in your assignments? Yes, I submitted them. Find out. Find out. Discover. Discover. Did you find out more about the topic? Yes, I discovered new information. Point out. Point out. Indicate. Indicate. Can you point out the mistakes? Yes, I can indicate them. Run into. Run into. Encounter or meet unexpectedly. Encounter or meet unexpectedly. Did you run into an old friend? Yes, I met him unexpectedly. Make up. Make up. Become friends again after a quarrel or disagreement. Become friends again after a quarrel or disagreement. Have you and Sarah made up after your arguments last night? Yes, we have become friends again. Go out. Go out. Socialize. Socialize. Shall we go out for dinner? Yes, let's socialize. carry out, carry out, execute, execute. Are they going to carry out the plan? Yes, they will execute it. Show up, show up. Appear, appear. Did he show up at the party? No, he didn't appear. Get by, get by. Survive with limited resources. Survive with limited resources. Is it hard to get by on a low income? Yes, it's tough to survive. Run away, run away. Flee, flee. Did John run away? Yes, he fled after an argument with his parents. Take in, take in. Understand, absorb. Understand, absorb. Can you take in what I just said? Yes, I understand. Drop off, drop off. Deliver, deliver. Will you drop off the package? Yes, I will deliver it to the post office. Lay down, lay down. Disappoint, disappoint. Did you let your team down? No, I didn't disappoint them. Take off, take off. Leave the ground and fly. Leave the ground and fly. Did the plane take off on time? Yes, it departed from the airport on time. Take off, take off. Become successful, become successful. Did her career take off? Yes, she became successful. Break down, break down. Stop working, stop working. Did your car break down? Yes, it stopped working. Go over, go over. Review, review. Did you go over the presentation one more time? Yes, I reviewed it thoroughly. Look into, look into. Investigate, investigate. Did you look into the matter? Did you look into the matter? Yes, I investigated it thoroughly. Bring up, bring up. Raise, raise. They brought up their children well. Yes, I agree, they raised them well.